Luber Goober here, and today we're going to talk about avoiding work. All right, in case you can't tell, I took over Flatratemaster's camera. We're going to talk about how to avoid work. First off, I'm out of bang, so I got to make a bang run. So that's the first tip. When you go test drive, you got to go stop and get you some bang. 10, 15 minutes minimum at a gas station. You know, around here we got a Kroger. That's 20, 30 minutes right there. Out of work. All right, next tip I got for you. The bathroom. Now you got to be careful, because I've known shops to take doors off of hinges to the bathroom, so you can't take a, BM. Just saying. So you got to not linger so long that they start to question your motivations. So, but you're going to spend a lot of time in there, 15, 20 minutes at a time. So you got to have entertainment. Now this is a charger. One of these little lithium ion battery charger things. You got to carry one of these on you at all times, along with power cable. So what you do is you get your phone, plug this up, and you sit in your bathroom. Now I'm not going to do any of that B-roll stuff where, I take a camera in the bathroom because, that's just gross. But that's what you do. You go sit in the toilet. You don't do anything. You just sit there and you get on your phone and you sit there and play games. But you got to have power supply. So, because your battery will die, and most bathrooms don't have power plugs. So if you go in the bathroom enough times, your phone's going to be dead, so you got to have one of these. Now, this is my backup one. This is the one I got from Snap-on, this is the one I got from Snap-on, like $12 a week for, 4 months, but I got a power pack. But this isn't ideal, because what you really want is a small one that'll fit in your pocket along with power cable, so it doesn't look like you got anything. I forgot mine at Mom's house because I was in a hurry this morning because I was already late. Well, I'm always late, but I was later than normal, so had to get moving. So I had to use this one. But you plug that into your phone and you sit there and play games, but you keep an eye on the clock because, staying there too long, boss man start knocking on the door, wondering if you need to go to the doctor. Now, if you notice the tape on my coat, that's from the last shop. My last shop, I didn't work there too long, but long enough to get uniforms. But this shop hadn't get me uniforms yet because, I haven't gotten uniforms yet, so they want me to cover up the name because, last shop, they don't want me walking around advertising for the other shop. So, as I said, shop foreman don't like me much. Just saying. Also, the vape shop. On the test drives, you gotta stop by the vape shop. They ain't gonna complain too much if a guy's out of cigarettes and he goes up to the gas station. So, go to the vape shop, you look at the cool new stuff, shop a little, buy some juice, hang out with the guys. Again, you gotta be careful, not too long, but another way to avoid work is I had to duplicate the concern, man. Boss man, it wasn't doing it. It's a brake grind. I know it was a brake grind, but it wasn't doing it. Yeah, the middle you, but yeah, it wasn't making no noise. Had to get one of these Coke Zero's Flatratemaster drinks. Ugh. But I need to hurry up and finish this job. I need to hurry up and finish this before he, finds me. Again. So, next tip. Find a place in the shop that doesn't have cameras. Every shop's got one. They got a blind spot somewhere. You find it, you get you a bucket, and again, you get your phone out, you play, but you keep your eyes open. Boss man come looking for you. You got to figure out what you're going to do. So you're getting a filter, you're getting washing your hands, whatever you need, but make sure you got an excuse why you back there. Because, because if you ain't got an excuse, he going to yell at you a lot. Might come down to, writing paperwork and you got to sign stuff. Sucks. So you got to be smart about it. Make sure you got a reason. But heck, you find the right spot, you can be there for hours. Just saying. All right, another tip. When you're doing a job, take it real slow. I mean real slow. You know, turn the wrench, look at your phone. Turn the wrench, look at your phone. Oil change could take an hour and a half. You didn't do much work, but you were there. You're working, so can't keep yelling at you because you're working. This one is just for the guys, but if you like this shop, another little tip. Keep your eyes open for the hot little fillies walking through the parking lot. They pull up, you go look. You know, a couple minutes, but you get to check out some nice fillies. Just saying. All right. Now, another tip about the bang. You don't buy more than 2, 3 tops, because you got to go back and get more. You're always going to need more. Whoa, 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 whoa. While you at the bang store, whatever you get it from, you want to make sure they got scratches. So you can go in there when you get your bang, you get some scratches. You know, might win millions of dollars. Get you some scratches. Oh, Flatratemaster's coming. I got to go.